Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi from Team Lexus and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the top reasons to hire a civil litigation lawyer. The simple and the best reason to hire a civil litigation lawyer is because they have the best person to deal with the judicial proceedings. They have all the necessary knowledge and how the case has been represented. They have related experience that may deal to the fair dealing with civil cases. But to understand what is the basic necessity to hire a civil litigation lawyer, there are several reasons, several characteristics that define the necessity of the civil litigation lawyer. So today in this video we discuss the reasons to hire a civil litigation lawyer. So let's start our video. When faced with legal turmoil, it is always better to hire a professional representative to take care of your all legal proceedings. They are the best persons to deal with judicial proceedings. They have all necessary knowledge to represent your case, to represent how they have to deal with the judicial proceedings. They have related experience that may have deal with the similar cases. There are several reasons that signifies the need to hire a civil litigation lawyer are as follows. First, the law is complicated. A typical case lawyer can assist you in exploring it. You may have the necessary information on the law and standard prosecution systems, but you need the skill of somebody who knows every detail of the field, from clarifying the fine print inside any archives identified with your case to help you understand all your decisions, legal consequences. Your civil lawyer can help you explore the law and your case. Second reason, without a familiar prosecution lawyer, you have a higher possibility of losing your case. It is the main reason to hire a civil litigation lawyer, because if you don't have the legal knowledge, you will lose your case. Although it is not admissible, you may represent yourself during a civil litigation case or a criminal case. Contrasted with a criminal law, the weight of evidence is a lot lower in common prosecution cases. The other party can invalidate your position with subsequently less proof of persuading if your rival side is a civil lawyer on their side. You will have a lot more unique possibility of losing speaking of yourself. The third reason, you can end up costing yourself without assistance of a lawyer. One of the most widely recognized issues is with recruiting a family prosecution lawyer is the expense of legal representative. With the regular monetary expenditures in question, not having a lawyer could wind up costing you more during a trial, as you do know the lawyer altogether. Rather than losing cash, you may bring some money by recruiting a lawyer. Therefore, you should consult a professional lawyer for your case. An ordinary prosecution lawyer can assist you in securing your business. There are numerous lawful dangers relating to claiming as well as working out a business, regardless of whether you are only going into business or confronting a joint lawsuit. Your lawyer can help you keep your own business secured. Moreover, your lawyer can assist you in invading future issues or legal issues down to the line. Your civil prosecution lawyer will appropriately record and achieve for the sake. Additionally, your case will include documents, legal guidelines that are new to you and with the court proceedings. Your civil lawyer can guarantee that you meet all the deadlines and follow all essential techniques throughout your case. It is imperative because not meeting a deadline or not following proper strategy can result in a lag in your case or even having your case tossed altogether. It comes without saying that you have to take a legal representative help in cases where you have limited knowledge. They can help you the process smoothly. It is quite evident that you cannot win your claim, win your case, win your trial, win your matter without proper legal expertise. So you have to hire a civil litigation lawyer every time when you are in a trouble, in a trial, in a case, and someone case. I hope you like our video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.